Installing new windows can drastically improve your home's energy efficiency, aesthetic appeal, and overall comfort. However, many homeowners make critical mistakes during the installation process that can lead to higher costs, poor performance, and ongoing maintenance issues. Whether you're tackling the installation yourself or hiring professionals, it's essential to be aware of common errors and how to avoid them. Here are some of the most frequent window installation mistakes and tips to ensure a successful project. Improper window sizing. One of the most common mistakes when installing windows is not properly measuring the window opening. If the window is too large or too small for the space, it can lead to gaps, poor insulation, and difficulty with the window's operation. The wrong size can also cause unnecessary stress on the window frame, leading to premature wear. How to avoid it? Always double-check your measurements before purchasing new windows. Measure both the height and width of the existing frame in multiple places to ensure accuracy. If you are unsure, consult a professional to ensure the correct size is chosen for your window. Failing to check for square and level window should be installed in a level and square position for proper function. If the window is not perfectly square or level, it can lead to improper sealing, water leaks, and reduced energy efficiency. Over time, a crooked or unlevel window can also cause operational issues, making it difficult to open or close the window smoothly. How to avoid it? Use a level to ensure that the window is positioned correctly within the frame. After placing the window into the rough opening, check the window's alignment using a square to ensure all corners are at 90-degree angles. Adjust the frame as needed before securing the window. Inadequate insulation and sealing. Proper sealing and insulation around your windows are crucial for energy efficiency. Without the right insulation, drafts can enter your home, making it harder to heat or cool the space. Gaps around the window can also allow water to penetrate, causing damage to the surrounding structure. How to avoid it? Always use the appropriate materials, such as foam or caulking, to fill any gaps around the window frame. Be generous with insulation in the gaps between the window and the frame, but avoid overfilling, which can put pressure on the window and cause distortion. Use high-quality weather stripping around the edges to ensure a tight seal. Incorrect window flashing. Flashing is an essential part of window installation as it helps prevent water from entering around the window. Improper flashing can result in water damage, mold growth, and wood rot, significantly affecting the integrity of your home. Many DIYers skip or improperly install flashing, which can lead to long-term problems. How to avoid it? Install flashing according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Ensure that the flashing is layered correctly, with the top layer overlapping the bottom to guide water away from the window. Proper flashing also includes the use of high-quality materials designed for outdoor exposure to prevent wear over time. Neglecting to check the window's operation. Before securing the window in place, it's important to check that it operates smoothly. Sometimes, a window may get stuck or not open and close properly, which can be a result of improper installation. A window that doesn't function correctly is not only frustrating but could also affect your home's security and energy efficiency. How to avoid it? Test the window before you finalize the installation. Open and close it several times to ensure that it moves freely and easily. If it's a double-hung window, make sure both sashes operate properly. If you notice any issues, address them before sealing and securing the window. Using the wrong tools or materials while installing windows seems straightforward. Using the wrong tools or materials can make a significant difference in the installation quality. From incorrect fasteners to low-quality caulking, these choices can impact your window's longevity and performance. How to avoid it? Always use the recommended tools and materials for the specific type of window you're installing. High-quality sealants, shims, fasteners, and insulation materials will ensure a secure, long-lasting installation. If you're uncertain about the right products to use, don't hesitate to ask a professional for advice. Conclusion. While window installation may seem like a simple DIY project, there are many opportunities for mistakes that can lead to poor performance and expensive repairs. By avoiding these common pitfalls and following the right procedures, you can ensure that your windows are installed properly, providing both aesthetic appeal and long-term efficiency. If you're ever in doubt, don't hesitate to consult with a professional installer to guarantee the best results for your home.